Welcome to Ustani Ji, where we make maths easy for you. Let's get started.
Today we're going to factorize the quadratic expression 4x2 in a 17xy plus 4yy.
Step 1. Look at the first and last terms, 4x2 and 4y2.
For step 2, we split the middle term, negative 17xy, into negative 16xy and negative xy to allow for factoring by grouping.
Now let's group the like terms.
For step 4, we take the common factors. As you can see here, we have 4x times x minus 4y minus y times x minus 4y. By factoring the equation, we arrive at the final answer here, quantity 4x minus y times the quantity x minus 4y. I hope that made maths a little easier. Don't forget to follow for more tips and lessons.